All right, today is Tuesday, September 13th, and the 13th of all days. And CPI data came out for the month, and the stock market, well, it's crashing, and even crypto way down. If you haven't checked out my opinion on crypto, make sure you look at that episode. But here's the deal. I want to talk about a comment that just came across our Discord where thousands of our members make money with me every day. And we killed it today. We bet on the market going down. It certainly did. We've shorted lots of stocks, and we bought puts on lots of others. We're making a lot of money even as the stock market goes down. But here's the question that got asked legitimately by a couple of our members today in the Discord. By the way, if you go to our Discord, you can see that question in real time, and you can even see how I answered it. The members wanted to say, well, it's gone down so much. Surely it's going to bounce. What do you think about buying some now and betting that it'll go back up? Friends, there's an expression, and I want you to drill this into your head. Never try to catch a falling knife. I didn't make that up. That expression has been around for at least a century. But if something's falling fast, why on earth would you want to try to catch that falling knife so the sharp blade can cut you? Never try to bet against big moves in the market. That's my opinion, and that's the opinion of most professional traders. If you wait until you have the proper signals and the proper support, then is the only time that you should try to reverse and go against what's been happening. So in the middle of a big flush or a big downtrend, let's be careful. Let's be conservative. Don't try to say, well, it should go up just because it's gone down a lot. Wait until the technical indicators and the market tell you you have high odds of success. That, my friend, is an important lesson, and it's one that I'd rather talk to you about than have you learn the hard way. So never in the stock market try to catch a falling knife. If a stock is going down, watch it go down and wait. It'll be there. When the time's right, you'll know, but never try to buy a stock while it's flushing. Love you.